안녕하세요, Clea. Okay. Since you are not attend the live this afternoon, we Parang Nim gives you 4-pack ramen and also 100 pesos allowance. Okay. And this is given by We Parang Nim.
We Parang Nim. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, study hard na. Bye-bye. Okay. Magpapik isda. Balik isda tanong ako ka.
Mayong buntag din. Kamsahamnida. Bye-bye. Okay, sinin first. Ano ba? Sinin. 8 times 7.
56.
6 times 4.
24.
7 times 6.
42.
4 times 8.
32.
9 times 3.
27.
3 times 6.
18.
7 times 4.
28.
2 times 9.
18.
8 times 6.
48.
9 times 8.
72.
Buena. 8 times 9.
72.
9 times 6.
54.
2 times 8.
16.
4 times 9.
36.
6 times 7.
42.
3 times 8.
24.
7 times 5.
35.
3 times 7.
21.
7 times 8.
56.
8 times 4.
32.
Giselle. 6 times 3. 5 times 8. 7 times 9. Husga. 2 times 8. 3 times 4. 4 times 7. 8 times 2. 6 times 8. 4 times 9. 9 times 2. Okay.
Go!
Rachel. Thumbs up, hi. Okay ra. Ikaw, Justine. Hindi ka okay. Ikaw, Justine. Okay. Ikaw, Buni. Ano? Ikaw, Dilapul. Okay, kayo. Excuse me. Okay, so for tonight, our topic will be counting numbers and whole numbers as a comprehensive guide. Okay, so for you to know that pagkahibaw sa multiplication is not enough. Diba? So you should also learn different things like knowing or identifying which is the whole numbers and accounting numbers. Agree? You understand?
Yes!
Okay, so the first one that I will be discussing is counting numbers. Okay, so kindly read what is counting numbers.
Counting numbers are numbers we use for counting objects, also known as real numbers.
Okay, so from the word itself, counting numbers, these are the numbers that we use in counting. Like for example, I have here rulers. So when we start counting, we will start at what number?
1,
Very good. 1. So when we say counting numbers, again, those are the numbers that we use in counting. So we will start at number 1. So how many rulers I am holding?
2,
Okay, so kindly count.
1, 2.
Very good. So those are counting numbers. So para masabtan, ang kanang counting numbers mo na ang gamiton sa paglihap. Kasabot wala.
Kasabot.
Kasi wala nakasabot. Sabotanan. Okay, so we have here example no. Kabalo lang mo na. So kindly read the examples.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on.
So when we say so on, kana ng mga numbers nga na follow. Okay? Kasabot.
Yes.
Okay, so the next number or kind of number will be
Whole numbers.
okay, so kindly read what is whole numbers.
Whole numbers include all counting numbers plus the number 0. They are non-negative numbers.
Okay, so when we say whole numbers, these are the numbers that includes the counting numbers. Meaning to say, ang kanang counting numbers is group ay under na na siya sa whole number. But ang quantity is apil ang 0. So when we say counting numbers, di ba? Dili man ta pwede mag-ihak na mag-start kag 0. Excuse me. Barahaan ni, so I have 2 rulers, no? So di mo ka pwede maingon 0, 1. No? Pwede di.
Dili.
Dili. So when we count, we start at number 1.
One.
So 1, 2.
2.
Mo na ang kalahian. And ang whole numbers, they are non-negative numbers. Meaning to say, ang kanang negative numbers, they are not whole numbers. Ang whole numbers is kanang kuan, kanang walay negative sign, or dili siya kanang with decimals, dili siya ana, or kanang nato na siya point, dili na siya ana. Ang whole numbers are non-negative numbers, meaning to say kani. So kindly read the examples.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so nasabtan.
Nasabtan yun.
Okay, ang kaning counting numbers gamiton sa pag
Ihap.
paghihap. Very good. Ang whole numbers, mao na sila ang mga
Negative numbers.
Very good. So, ang dili niyo dapat kalimtan ha nga ang counting numbers nag-start sa
1,
ang whole numbers nag-start siya sa
0.
Okay, nasabtan.
Nasabtan.
So we have here the similarity.
안녕하세요, students.
안녕하세요.
Okay, for this evening, you are going to make out from the recycled materials that you are going to bring, and then you can use it in a while. So Why is it important to reuse and recycle? Here are the benefits to help recycle. First is prevent pollution caused by reducing the needs to harvest new raw materials. So, makaprevente siya sa pollution, makakos siya reduce food sa pag-harvest og mga new raw materials. So, dapat i-recycled o i-reuse. Second is to save energy. Third is reduce greenhouse gas emission that contribute to the global climate change. The number 4, help sustain the environment for change. The number 5, manang number 5, makakatabang siya pud sa conserve as maka-create siya og jobs of producing economic benefits. So mauna siya ang mga benefits sa mag-recycle o mag-reuse. Okay? You may start your activity. So this is to test also your creativeness idea. Hi Kissy, what are you making?
About a storage container for pen, pencils, and etc.
Okay. How about you, Alea?
I'm making a calendar.
Calendar out of
Cardboard.
And how about you also, Marikit?
I am making a pencil storage.
Okay, out of?
Kanang journal.
Okay.
Newspapers.
Newspapers. Okay. Okay, we continue. Then later on, I will take a video your finished product. Are the finished product for Alea. Then Mary Kate. Then Kang Kissy. Okay. Okay, thank you for this evening, students. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.